Yep.
Is it going?
Yes.
For once I didn't wipe out.
Whoa! She wiped out! Come this way, Gabby, when you get your hat back on. Oh!
The window's open.
I know, that's how I got her.
Why did you do that?
Luke, give me your hand. Hey Gareth, you're up.
Wow!
Are you gonna take your turn?
I have first.
You're not going, I'm going. Run, jump! Are you gonna get him? You're better not gonna get me. Whew. Come on!
Gabby, remember the plan?
Yeah, she better not do that plan. Well, I've got my back turned. Well, I'm helping you. Riddle. Hey.
Hey, Mommy! Or Gas! Or Lily!
There you go. Is that the one you wanted?
What?
Is that the one you wanted?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.